Today we'll see different SQL databases. The first SQL database is mysql, a popular open source relational database management system known for its speed and reliability. The applications that use mysql are WordPress, Drupal, and Facebook. Next is PostgreSQL. It is also an advanced open source relational database management system with a strong emphasis on extensibility and standard compliances. It is utilized by Instagram, Spotify, and Reddit. Next, we have SQLite. It is a lightweight, self-contained relational database engine designed for simplicity and efficiency. The applications that use this are Android, iOS, and Firefox. Next, we have is Microsoft SQL Server. It is a robust relational database management system which is developed by Microsoft. It is used by applications like Microsoft Dynamics, SharePoint, and Skype. Next, we have Oracle Database. It is a comprehensive enterprise-grade relational database management system which is known for its scalability and also reliability. The applications that use this are Oracle E-Business Suite, SAP, and LinkedIn. Next, we have IBM Database 2. It is a family of data management products developed by IBM. It is known for its performance, reliability, and scalability. The applications that use this are SAP, IBM Watson, and Salesforce. Lastly, we have MariaDB. It is also an open source relational database management system that is a drop-in replacement for MySQL, designed for high availability and scalability. It is employed by applications like WordPress, Google, and Wikipedia. I'm tired now. Let's meet after some time. Till then, you watch this. Welcome to day 7 of Decoding SQL.